G'day, here I am out at Harcourt near Castlemaine in Victoria. I'm just doing my first night of free camping. The van's capable of doing free camping, but the thing that's really put me off so far is the fact that I don't have a shower. And I get pretty sweaty, as you can probably see, after a ride. So this is what I've sort of dodged up, shall we say, to get me out of trouble tonight. And well, hopefully nobody comes walking behind the back of the van because they might get a bit of a flash. So I've got the toilet and everything in there. I've started making my shower base, and but yeah, there's no drainage yet and it's not waterproof in there. So what I'm doing here, I've got a cheap shower curtain from Bunnings, a couple of hockey straps hanging off the doors. Yeah, it's copping a bit of a breeze there at the moment, so this is going to be interesting. And then if we go inside here, I haven't quite sorted out the hot water heater yet, so what I've done is just hung it off the back door. When I plumb this up, I have the fill line, or the line for connecting up to mains down here, and it's kind of a multi-purpose line. But basically that line is my only line in, and these taps here control whether we switch over to the main supply or fill the water tank. So this one goes to main supply, and that's a 90-degree ball valve, so it can actually function as a outlet as well, and that'll run outlet water on the pump pressure from the van's pump. And then this one's the tank fill tap, so you know, when I need to fill it up, it's a pressure fed fill. So what I've basically done, I've hooked up the water heater onto the inlet slash outlet down there. That's my on off, and away we go. Well, that didn't go too badly. I'm at least clean. There were a few gusts of wind and the curtain went way out, and I was pretty much standing there naked, but luckily, as you can see behind me, I backed up against the trees. I was kind of anticipating that. The little hot water heater worked quite well. It's the first time I've actually used it for a shower. This is just some little unit I picked up off eBay, and it's not the grand total of $125, which is just crazy cheap for what they are. It's an instantaneous unit. Basically, as soon as the water flows, it switches on, ignites, and away she goes. Basically, you control the temperature with the water flow. So that's the water flow knob there. You've got a flame there as well, which you can boost it up a bit if you want, and then a summer winter, I don't know what that does. Just basically turn on that. She fires up, and a few seconds, there we go. Now we've got nice warm water. So it's sitting on about 28, that'll get up to about 30 odd degrees, and heaps of flow. It's pretty reasonable. Can't complain for the price at all.